Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Tuesday, March 4, 2025. Our 1954 17-foot Century Resorter's 5200 bottom is getting close to the finish line. Between the last video and right now, Joe and Rick have been focusing on filling and fairing all declivities, imperfections, and of course, countersinks with 3M premium marine filler. By this point, they have gone through about 4 coats of the filler, sanding in between coats with an orbital sander, which is our sort of intermediate tool for this process. And for those of you who are nervous about cracks and splits, you'll notice that I was pretty sure this was the case, but knew I'd find out as soon as we started sanding. Those apparent splits were slight imperfections in the grain. As soon as we started sanding them, as you see, no more splits. They just disappeared. We sanded them out. So at this point, the guys will be finishing the sort of initial sanding of the bottom and the chine planks. And you'll see all these pencil lines here. It is now time to get the Hutchins longboard sander out so that we can go through and sand the bottom absolutely fair. Once they get to that point, and we've got it absolutely fair, out comes Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer. We'll be applying 4 coats, and we'll follow that with 5 coats of Interlux 2000E Interprotect barrier coat. And finally, at the end, 5 coats of Pettit hard racing copper bronze. So we'll keep you in the loop as we approach the finish line here. But this bottom, somebody sent me an email saying, yeah, but the way you did it's not very stiff. Well, I challenge you. I weigh a bit north of 220. I can put all my weight up there and it doesn't deflect at all. So we'll keep going and be back to you very soon. This is our update on our 1954 17-foot Century Resorter. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.